Standard financial advice tells you to save 20% of your income, but when your rent and groceries consume 98% of your paycheck before the month even begins, that math fails. The defense against a rigid budget is a system called automated microhabits. These are small, recurring background actions designed to operate underneath the threshold of your daily expenses. By the end of this session, you are going to locate specific hidden funds in your existing budget and activate a background system to capture them. To build this system today, you need 3 tools: a smartphone, a banking app you are currently logged into, and a document showing your last 30 days of transaction history. Getting these tools out on the table forces your finances out of your head and into the physical world. It shifts you from quietly worrying about a balance to actively dissecting it. Step 1 is identifying a ghost subscription. A ghost subscription is a recurring charge of less than $15 a month that currently provides zero value to your life, like an unused streaming tier or a forgotten digital tool. This diagram shows a standard bank statement grid. Scan your 30-day history strictly for small recurring charges. Highlight transactions that fit the description. Don't fix your entire budget today. Pick exactly one small charge, like this $7.99 row, and ignore the rest. Pause the video, open the relevant app on your device right now, and hit cancel. If the company requires a phone call to cancel, take your pen and draw a heavy circle around that charge on your paper statement so you can call them on your next break. You just recovered a $5 to $10 block of capital. That money is no longer leaking out of your account next month. Finding and stopping a ghost subscription proves a critical fact. Even within the tightest paycheck-to-paycheck cycles, a small margin of capital actually exists. Retrieving $5 a week will not solve a rent problem or generate immediate wealth. We are establishing a resilience baseline. The goal is to build the behavioral muscle of moving money consistently, prioritizing the habit over rapid growth. If you leave that reclaimed $5 sitting in your primary checking account, it will inevitably be absorbed by your next grocery run or gas station visit. Routing this specific capital into a separate, dedicated space is the exact mechanism that separates actual saving from merely delaying your next purchase. Open your banking app and navigate directly to the main menu. Locate and tap the button labeled Transfer. Set your transfer path. Choose your primary checking account as the source and a separate savings account as the destination. Type in your transfer amount. Cap this strictly at $5. Keeping the number this low protects you from accidental overdrafts if your balance dips. Open the scheduling options and set the frequency of this transfer to either weekly or every payday. Hit the Confirm button. Keep the screen open until the app displays the final success verification message. The mechanism is now active. The bank will move that exact sum out of your daily reach automatically, before you ever see it and before you can spend it. By automating this sequence, you bypass human error. You do not have to make a choice to save money next Friday because the system has already made the choice for you. Look closely at your device. Verify that it says Recurring Transfer Scheduled. This calendar graphic illustrates what happens next. Over a single month, those isolated $5 drops stack up in the background, quietly accumulating $20 of secured capital. A monthly charge that used to drain quietly into a corporate account is now feeding directly into your own personal safety net. Close the application, walk away from it, and strictly ignore this new system for the next 30 days. You do not need a sudden windfall to gain control over your money. Financial resilience relies on building these invisible, unyielding systems that capture capital inch by inch, month after month.